All right, here we are. Some excitement. Just got home with the boxes here, taped together. If you listen real close, you hear it almost sounds like sleet. It's the bees crawling around inside if you listen. It's pretty cool. So, real nervous here, but we're going to get things ready and install the NUCs. Okay, here they are. This is where the bees are going to go. Put the hives here on our deck, facing south-southwest, and we're going to get ready to put them in now. So what we're supposed to do, he told me, was alternate and checkerboard in the new frames. So not to just leave them on the outside. Wow. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is where I screwed up big time. You're supposed to keep the frames in order, and I misunderstood totally what he meant by checkerboarding the frames. And so I thought I'd just put in frames, you know, whichever way I thought would be best. And instead of keeping the 5 frames in the NUC together as they were, and then checkerboarding in the empty new frames, I actually did the opposite and checkerboarded in the NUC frames, however I thought would work. And so as you can see, I totally took them out of order, reordered them, shuffled them, and put them back in. And so you're not supposed to do that. So beginner's lesson learned. Did the same thing here on the other hive. Kind of pulled them out, mixed and matched. So don't do that. But live and learn. The last thing I did here was I put an in-hive feeder in the upper box so the bees had something to start with. So this was quite an experience. We got lucky. The far hive here in the picture actually went just exploded with activity and has been doing really well. The closer hive was off to a slower start, but again, I got lucky and things are going well. So thanks for watching.